Hello friend, today we will discuss about the new light tools. Make your nightlife shot pops with electrifying new light and attends transport viewer to a wide scale realme with the fantastical edit and good colors.